with the standing hip car video, it's nice to have something to hold on to, like a power rack or a door or something. But if you are in a big open space, say you're out in the park exercising or something like that, and you don't have something to hold on to, and your balance maybe isn't 100%, so that you can do it freestanding on one leg, you can also do it on the floor. So I'm going to quickly do that today. First things first, now if you have a coat or something that you can put under your head, anything like that, that's great. If not, just try and keep your leg as relaxed as possible so that you're not putting it under any sort of extra stress or anything. What we're going to do is, I'm going to hold my own hand. Nobody wants to hold my hand. I'm going to hold my own hand because this will stop me rotating or rolling any other direction. Right, so that's me. So I'm stacked shoulder on top of shoulder here. From there, I'm going to lift my bottom leg up to a 90-degree angle. So right angle, right angle. And then I'm going to put the other knee on top. First things first, we're going to just let this top knee hover a little bit. So in order to do that, we're tensing our stomach, getting the core switched on, and then we're just going to push into the ground. So you can push in with your hands a little bit, but also that bottom knee. So this is going to push into the ground, so you're lifting your leg off a little bit. You're going to really squeeze that hamstring, and some people find it helps if they imagine pulling their toes to their shin at the same time. We're then just going to try and squeeze the knee to the elbow. Then we're going to lift it up to the roof. So if yours might be more like that, that's ideal. I've just got quite good open hips, so you're just not going to roll back and imagining that this line here is locked in. So from here, you're going to then twist that leg, so you're going to internally rotate that hip there. Okay, and then you just hold it there for a few seconds. And from that, you're going to imagine keeping the right angle bend at the knee, but you're going to extend back as you lower. So you're extending back into extension, like so. You're going to squeeze that glute and keep that hamstring tensing. And then you're going to bring it back. You're going to abduct again, back up as you rotate. That's it. And then hold it there again for a couple of seconds. Then you're going to rotate it round. You're going to bring it back down. Try and touch the elbow again, so you're really sort of squeezing that core to get it up there in the hip flexor. And you're going to bring it down again to here, and then you're going to relax. So that's the hip car basically in the laying position. Now I find this one actually works for me better than the standing one, but it'll all depend on yourself and where you're at. It's just for me, it allows me to get more engagement in the glute and the hamstring. So give it a go. Let me know what you think. If you have any problems with it, let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you.